Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Matrixploit. I am Yash, and today we are going to get some hands-on experience on GraphQL vulnerabilities. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have already downloaded one vulnerable lab. I have this listed in /etc/host file so that my Burp suite will detect it. This is my GraphQL request. I'm going to open the editor which comes along with this vulnerable lab. Here I'm going to type Introspection Query, and then let's go with schema, then types. I'm going to mention just one types, which is name, so that I can get the whole list of types. So there is post object, int, user object. We are going to use this later in our video. So let's move on. I'll just get rid of the extra stuff. Let's keep just users, edge, and node. And let's see what it gives us. So in the error section, you can see user object. So field node of type user object must have a sub selection. We are just going to head over to our editor. Let's change the query and let's get the name, user object, fields. Okay, so in user object, we have UUID, username is admin. So whether the user is admin or not, and then post, and then ID. ID, username is admin. And when we hit send, you got the whole list of users which are there. And we can get the admin as well. So for Jim Carrey, it's saying, yes, he's admin. You got the access for the admin user and you got credentials as well. This was Introspection Query. Now let's head over to IDOR. I have another lab for this. So basically that GitHub repo has multiple labs in it. So just run up the Docker and you can access the lab. So my port 5000 is not free. I'm using port 5011 for this. I've logged in as John user. So let's see what IDOR means. If you can access other users' data without even logging into it by just changing the ID field. We'll see in GraphQL how you can get IDOR vulnerability. Now you can see as I logged into the user, it has generated the API key. Now let's head over to the settings tab and see what settings tab is giving us. Now I'm sending it to the repeater, and in repeater I'll just change this to GraphQL. It's the InQL extension. Now if I change the user 2 to 3, you can get the whole list of users without even logging into it. So basically it's like you are just changing the ID and the server. It's just giving you the data of other user. Now quickly let's head over to the last lab, injections. So injection here, we are going to play with the database and see if we can interact with the database directly, and if we can get the error messages which we shouldn't be getting on the screen. Our Docker is up and running now. On the same port, we are just going to give refresh to our page. Let's head over to the GraphQL page. So we are going to get the list of users over here, available queries, schema, query type, fields as usual, and then name. Okay, so these are the queries which we can execute. So it's all post, all user, single user, is SQL up, get user. So these are the data we can just interact. So let's interact with get users, and then username. I'm just going to bluff any username. Let's say Matrixploit, and then we'll see what error we are getting. It's giving me the syntax error. What if we just put, instead of Matrixploit, inverted comma, we are getting an error message from the database directly. It's suggesting me every field. You can see the message over here. This is it. So this is injection vulnerability which is there in this particular box. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, do subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.